Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri Luc. I'm a Canadian who loves slow food. My goal is to offer you authentic and traditional recipes from all around the world. To achieve this goal, I strive as much as possible to get closer to the culinary traditions in which I'm interested. I work hard to offer you traditional and tasty recipes. Home cooking traditions mean a lot to me. I'm passionate about making sourdough and unleavened breads. I also make dehydrated and fermented food, wines, vinegar, and deli meats. I post videos almost every 2 days. All my videos posted after July 21st, 2022 have English subtitles. I also publish some videos in English with French subtitle. My website and thus all my recipes can be consulted in more than 100 languages. I have allergies to monosodium glutamate, MSG, and sulfites. Therefore, my recipes don't have any of these products, as well as ultra-processed food. In 2014, I developed a free approach to become and stay slim. With this approach, I lost 45 pounds, 20 kilos, without dieting. You will find 5 videos on this approach on my website. I sincerely hope that my channel will encourage you to prepare some of my delicious recipes and to consume less ultra-processed food. If you like this video, you can click the thumbs up. Do not hesitate to leave me a comment. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you again for a new video.